Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to log in Instagram account. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the Instagram application. So when you will open the Instagram application, so here you can see I don't want to log in this account, so that's why I will select on login to another account. So here you can see the options of username, email address or mobile number. So here write the email address. So after selecting the email address, so here you can see password option, so click on password. So after this choose your password. So after selecting or entering the password, so you can see a login option, so click on login. So here wait some second. So you can see Instagram account is logged in. So guys, in this way you can log in Instagram account very easily. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.